Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and here I am with the Crafter's Companion number 18 subscription box. And this one is called the Character Stamp and Die Kit. Adorable. I just love the little characters that are in here, and you can see some of the cards that were made there. Now, I haven't seen a video of any of the cards being made. If I find them, I will put them down below in the description box, but I've made a few, so I will show you what I've made. So I took everything out of the box because I was creating, so let me just show you. Basically, it's the same kind of stuff, but anyway, it's cute. The stamps and the dies are adorable. So we have flat back pearls. We have, if I can find everything, we have, of course, we have ribbon, 3 different sizes, purple, teal, and pink. And we have the dies, and the dies say thank you and with love, and then there's the semicircle, which is kind of like the background, if you will, on these. And then some of the cutest, get something to put behind here, some of the cutest stamps ever. We have a front and back of a little piggy. We have a box, some sentiments, and then we have dog front and back and a kitty front and back and some more sentiments. Very, very cute. Just really enjoyed working with this one. I enjoyed this very much. Anyway, and then we have papers, always papers, and always the cards, the bases, and envelopes, and I don't know where those are. There's a variety of those as well. And these came in solid colors, and of course some really pretty prints as well. Some purples and swiggy swaggies and all of the solids. So there you go. Just kind of your basics in her kits. I debated, I've been debating whether or not to discontinue this, but it's just like a train wreck. I can't stop looking and seeing what's going to come up next, because the whole thing is she was supposed to show what it was that we had coming up so we can make a decision, but that hasn't happened. So anyway, so cute. So here's one of them that I did. I just copied what there was here and just took the ideas from that. Maybe I changed the papers and that, but isn't that the cutest thing? And then you open it up and there's the back side. So cute. With love, little puppy dog, and flatback pearls and ribbon. And here we have a little piggy, and she's got a skirt on. This came directly from, see the back one here. So I just copied that, did a little extra embellishment, put a necklace on her, and that, and you're sweet. And that's a 5x7 card. Just adorable. So anyway, there you go with that. And again, if I can find anything, as far as, you can always go on to, and I'll put that description down below too. There's a site for Crafter's Companion box that will hopefully have some more information about these. But there you go. Character Stamp and Die Kit number 18. Thanks for watching. Go craft.